So I'm here on El Gecko with Andre and Katahena, and we are rebuilding our sail drives. And Andre has been spotting a lot of things that are not right with how things are put together. So Andre, I sometimes accuse you of being a perfectionist.
Yeah.
And I know that must sometimes drive you crazy. But there's a reason why you do things a certain way. Tell me why you are meticulous.
Because it has some reason why things should be done in the proper way. As an example, here we have this gasket which supposed to go this side on that part, on top of that part. But things happen. As you can see here, the hole doesn't fit with the plate underneath. And more than that, this triangle where the water should circulate, because in two pieces, let's keep going on this. Here, the paper there will, if I remove the paper, you can see the shape, and the water, salt water, will stay there, even the dirt where the pump in
So
it.
what happens if dirt gets stuck in this particular place?
So what happened? The circulation stopped to happen, and here the corrosion start. So I decide to remove this little piece of paper with that scissors.
But are you leaving it in the same place, or how are you doing
So
it?
what I have to do now, because I realize those holes doesn't fit, so I realize the paper was punched upside down. So now you can see the hole is fit, and still I have to remove this shape, and both sides are not the same, so I have to be careful.
So again, the whole component of attention to details.
To save the sail drive, to be sure, to slow down the corrosion and all that things, the better circulation.
So when you're on a boat, things can go wrong so quickly, so easily, and you won't even be aware that things are going wrong. And when we're dealing with life, if we don't pay attention to the details in life, if we don't understand when things aren't in the right place, in the right order, then we end up with dis-ease. We have to look at, is there a better way? Is there an effective way? Is there something that we can do to work together and be proud of what we do? And that's why I tease you about being a perfectionist. But no, it's not about being a perfectionist. It's about being proud of your quality of your work and standing behind who you are and what the quality of your work is.
What can I say?
Do it right the first time.
Do it right.
And find people like Andre to learn from. Find your mentors. Because you don't have to do this by yourself. You don't have to struggle by yourself. Be engaged and go and find some person who's done this over and over and learn from the mistakes that they've already learned. Don't try and repeat the same mistake. Find a wise man. Andre, you are my wise man. Thank you.
You're welcome.